Mike, you mentioned that as an owner, projects are never really finished for you. Can you elaborate on that? What are some of the challenges, or maybe what are you doing to solve that or adapt with it?
So the life cycle of a project, the money is not necessarily spent, the totality of the money is not just spent in design. From an owner standpoint, the project's never done. And what I mean by that is the value of that asset is through its maintenance cycle. So when we put an asset on the system, that asset's got to live there for 75 years, 60 years, wherever the case may be. And we're going to have to maintain that asset. So to us, that project's never done. I say we put guardrail in, or guide rail, depending on where you are in the United States. Someone's going to hit that guardrail, and we're going to have to go back and fix that guardrail. And we're going to have to do that repeatedly over and over and over again. But that's an asset we're taking care of. So for us, the project is never done in that manner.
You talked a lot on the panel about openness and just interoperability. How does any of that play in with this full life cycle, this like ongoing, how does that kind of resilience of pre-planning and being proactive and open data, does any of that help?
Open data is non-negotiable. We have to get to a point to where we can accept information from all sources. We have to be able to provide information to a contracting body or a consulting body moving forward. And then we have to take that information and we have to store it logically related to different things. We have to adapt rapidly to these new systems and AI and things that are coming out. And moving that information through that life cycle is extremely important.